Hello lovely souls and welcome to my channel the Hierophant 1111. So guys, today we are going to be doing a reading on what do we need to hear right now. Okay guys, so let's see what tarot wants to tell us, some angel guidance. Let's see what do we need to hear right now. So divine angels, please guide us that what do we need to hear right now. I'm going to keep this back because I don't think this is for us guys. Let's move on and let's see what do we need to hear right now. If we are seeing this reading guys, this reading is completely timeless. When you see it, it's going to resonate with you. Also guys, if certain things do not resonate, just be peaceful and find another reading which resonates with you. Also guys, I would also like to say like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel the Hierophant 1111. So just let's go and let's ask divine angel spirits, what do we need to know right now. Okay, if we are watching this reading, what do we need to know right now. Okay guys, so what I see over here is the star. Okay, hope, faith is what is coming to me with the star, and then I see the page of swords. Okay, so I see that you need to learn the tricks of the trade. There is something that you don't know, or you are being victimized in some area, maybe at your workplace, maybe in your love area. You're not as knowledgeable, or you do not know what is going on in your connection, and someone is taking advantage of that. Okay, let's see. I see a queen of swords over here, so there is a karmic person. Okay, and involved in your connection, maybe, or in your workplace. Whatever I see over here, I see is in your love life. There is a karmic involved. Okay, and this is causing you a lot of trouble, because you are this innocent loving person who doesn't know, how to behave with people. You're quite an open book. You're quite immature in the matters of love somewhere, I feel. And this is being taken advantage of. Okay, and you're very hopeful, you're very, you get energies from the divine and you use it to heal others and all that. You are a divine feminine energy, that's what I'm getting. You're very loving, you're very kind, and also there are sharp people around you, so please be careful. You're being taken advantage of in your love life. Okay, let's move on and let's see some more cards of what romance angels want to tell us. Let's see. Divine romance angels, please guide us. What do you need to tell us about? What do we need to know right now? Romance angels, please tell us what do we need to know right now. Okay, so let your friends help you. Okay, if you feel in a situation you're confused, please don't feel shy to take guidance. Okay, just go to someone who can guide you. Ask support from others if you need that. Don't sit wondering what should I do, whether should I take that stuff, whether should I take any guidance. But take guidance from the right and proper person. Okay, that is what is very important over here. Let's see what else the romance angels want to tell you right now. What do you need to know? Okay, release your ex. Okay, I'm seeing this, release your ex. Maybe your ex is a karmic or something like that, and they are attacking you. Maybe first you had a very loving relationship and now you are being attacked, or you have reached that worst phase of the connection. That is what I'm seeing. Let's see, but you're a very loving person. Let's see what more romance angels want to tell you about. What do you need to know right now? Heart to heart conversations. Okay guys, what I'm seeing over here, this person is quite sharp, quite smart, and you are quite loving, quite, and you are going and telling your emotions, your feelings, your everything. You're expressing it to them, and they are just listening and not acting upon it. Okay, so what is I see is one person is not at all interested in this connection. Maybe you're with a karmic, male, female, I don't know, gender does not matter over here anyways. We are talking about the connection where you are very loving, caring, and the other person is just listening to your thoughts and feelings, and not speaking a word. Okay, let's see what more. So you need to take guidance over here in this situation. If you feel lost, if you feel like you don't know what to do in this situation, you do need guidance. Let's see what more do romance angels give us. Make the effort, guys, make the effort over here. If you need great love is worth taking steps you are being guided to take. Okay, so if you want this connection to stay, or if you want certain things to work out for you, I see. If you have been told that this, you are in a twin flame, you are in a soulmate, and you don't know anything about it, please go forward and read about it. Okay, take informed decisions, ask people who can help you in this connection. If you are stuck, please take guidance. This is what I'm being told to tell you right now. Let's see what more angels can guide us on this situation, because angels also need to guide us on this situation. Because what I see over here is you are stuck in a situation where you don't know whether this person is your soulmate, he's your karmic, what is the type itself, you all are not clear. So please go and consult someone. If you can consult me if you want to, but please do not if you are with someone else, if you have met someone else and you already have a karmic, this is also what the situation is coming around for me, then the time is to clear that ex, because that person did not give you enough love. Okay, they just victimized you. So you have to take your time, and let's see what angels have to tell you about what do you need to know right now about this connection. What is what the angels want to tell you about this situation. Adventure. Okay, and let's move on. Let's see what more do you need to know. You are a very adventurous kind of a person, and you're very spontaneous, you're very carefree, you don't care about what you speak to people, you're not careful while talking, and this is what the angels are telling me. Okay, you take each day as it comes, you take each thing in your life, and you want to make the best out of it. But the things are like, what happened in your past relationship, the angels are telling you just accept it. There was no one to blame. Okay, so if you release your ex, okay, if you have been hurt, pained by them, if they have troubled you, they have caused you a lot of imbalance, so now you're being guided to get back the hope, positivity, the balance, and find a soulmate, or maybe someone else is coming into your life and you need to seek guidance about it. Okay, honestly trying to tell you is that it's not going to be worth holding on to a connection where the person is just listening to you and not telling you anything. Just move on. Let's see what more can be. Disruption. See guys, again another thing that the angels have told you. Challenges, unexpected challenges will cause chaos around you. Learn to adapt to changes quickly. So guys, if you don't move on from this situation, there are challenges, chaos that will push you out of this connection. Okay, so this is what you need to know right now. So if you have come here for a connection, okay, which is not working, which is toxic, okay, and it is not and you are getting another chance in love, you are being guided to take guidance about it, personal level guidance, because in this thing I won't be able to guide you so nicely or so well. So just guys, see that whatever happened with that connection, it was supposed to happen because you were supposed to learn certain lessons. Okay, and right now you need to make an effort to get the right person into your life. So this is what I have for you guys today. Do like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel, and do not forget to press the bell icon guys, so that you do not miss any video from me in the future. See you guys till then. Bye.